Pattaya is buzzing. This awesome beach city in Thailand is super cool. Picture this, amazing beaches, bright blue water and warm sunshine. That's Pattaya's charm. But there's more than just beaches. Markets are packed with stuff, street food smells delicious, and big shopping malls have everything you could want. Pattaya is a mix of everything. Plus, it's close to some awesome islands and old temples. If you want to chill or explore, Pattaya's got you covered. Come see the magic. Pattaya has a really interesting culture. Old temples tell stories about Thailand's history. The carvings and Buddha statues are peaceful and amazing. Visiting these places shows you what Thai culture is all about. The markets are crazy. Bright colors, fresh food, and people talking and trading. It's a real experience. Thai people are also super friendly. They're always smiling and welcoming. Talk to them, learn some Thai words, and you'll see what true hospitality means. Pattaya really wakes up at night. There's so much to do. Fancy shows with awesome costumes, music, and dancing are super fun. If you want something chill, check out the live music. Lots of talented musicians play all kinds of music. Grab a drink and enjoy the good vibes. Families can have fun too. There are amusement parks with exciting rides and night markets with cool stuff and yummy food. Pattaya has something for everyone, whether you want a wild night or something relaxed. You can't go to Pattaya and not try the food. From street vendors to fancy restaurants, get ready for a taste explosion. Follow the yummy smells to find the best food. Try Pad Thai. It's a classic noodle dish that's packed with flavor. Green curry is creamy and delicious. And don't forget mango sticky rice. It's the perfect sweet treat. Want a real experience? Take a cooking class. Learn how to mix sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors. You'll become a better cook and really appreciate Thai food. Eating in Pattaya is a delicious adventure.